to show you how to draw a solar eclipse. Solar eclipse. This means that the sun cannot be seen. Solar means sun cannot be seen. So in this case here, let's put the sun here. And what do you think is getting in our way over here on Earth? We label this up here, sun, and this is the Earth. What do you think must be blocking the rays of light from the sun? Well, there is only one thing that can do this, and it's something that is orbiting around the Earth constantly, and this is the moon. So the moon is passing around, and if it becomes perfectly aligned in the path of the sun, then it will block the sun's light. So let's have a look at that in terms of drawing. What you need to do to see the area of shadow is to draw two lines from the top of the sun. The first line must go just over the tip of the moon. There we go. And the second line will just come over the base of the moon. So anywhere inside here is going to be in shadow. Now that doesn't tell the whole story, because obviously there is the whole of the sun here. So we again take where we took the topmost point of the sun, now we're going to take the bottommost point of the sun. Now it really helps here if you have a different colour. So I'm going to take here a red pen. So we're going to do a very similar thing from this time though, the bottom of the sun coming over the bottom of the moon here. So the one that just glances along the bottom of the moon there. And then the one that just glances from the bottom of the sun over the top of the moon. So once again, gives you here an area of shadow. There we are. Now, you will notice that within this shadowed area here, this area here receives some shadow, and this area receives some shadow, but this area here is in complete shadow. Both the maximum and minimum light that can come from the sun does not come in this area here. So we end up with three different types of shadow here. We have the penumbra, which is both here and here. And then in this double shadow part here, we have the umbra. That is complete shadow. And in that part there, it will be a total eclipse of the sun. These parts around the outside here are just partial eclipse. So in the middle here, it will actually go, if you are anywhere on Earth, in this area here, you can see the edge of the Earth there, anywhere on Earth in this area, you will get a full sort of blackout from the sun, just for a few moments. It's not very long. And then if you are in these areas, you will see a dimming of the sun and a partial eclipse.